Welcome to another episode of series traditional and gardening series. Today we are visiting Vani in Arlington. She lives in Dallas and Texas basically. Our next thing is about vegetables of India, and again we are covering Vani's vegetable garden. It's not an easy thing to do vegetable gardening over here. Just like I showed in before episodes, it's a lot of effort with all the plants growing up, the bitter gourd and the bottle gourds. So today we are going to look at Vani's vegetable garden. Shankar is going to show us his vegetable garden along with Vani. So he's very proud owner of the squash over here. How long have you had the squash plant now, Shankar?
It's about a couple of months.
Couple of months.
And
how many?
We started a little bit late, but this is called Dudi or Sorakaya or like a Lauki.
Lauki, excellent. I see Vani helping us with the names over here. So how many did you get? I see a lot of them. Beautiful.
Yes, actually we stopped buying the vegetable for last 2 months. There's no buying vegetables.
Excellent.
We are just growing our own
So we have
stuff.
here a lot of
And
baby
here we
ones.
have a lot of Sorakaya you can see on these.
Okra is there. Oh, nice, beautiful. And you have, I see that there is some beans over here.
The beans here is the beans, and then
Lot of
you see
beans.
lots of beans over there.
Papdi.
And then okra.
Okra.
See
It is
all
a
the-
different kind of okra.
It's called the red okra, and this is very nutritious, highly nutritious.
Excellent, excellent. And red okra again.
More okra here.
Do you put anything specific for these red okras? Nothing. They are all organic vegetables, and I do see they are huge, beautifully. And I think this is cucumber.
Yeah.
This is a cucumber plant over here. And I see some gongura leaves over here. And curry pata, curry leaves over here. So you don't have to go to the farm at all. You just buy all, get your green vegetables here. So you have a lot karela over here. I see that. You saw in the flowering video also a lot of karela. So there are a lot of. This is very good for diabetes, and the leaves are also used by a lot of Asian people for their cooking dals and all. These help us with our immune system, karela and all of them. I see a lot of okra over here.
This is guar plant here.
You have guava, and is this also the same small surakai? Is it also gourd?
Yeah, karne. I don't know.
I see that. Excellent. So that is also surakai. It's like it's beautifully planted. If you notice, it takes a lot of time and effort. And this is the gawar fali. This is another kind of beans called what is it called? It's called gawar fali, right? Yeah, it's called gawar fali. And this is the amla. And she has a few snake guards over here also, very nicely done. Potlakaya is what it is called.
This one Virakaya. Ridge guard.
This is a ridge guard. Excellent. And again she has sorakai over here.
This is a doskaya.
This is a different type of cucumber called dosakaya. So most of our Indian vegetables are grown. And if you notice, they are in the small areas, on the side in the backyards. Excellent. And Potlakaya. Where do you get these seeds from, Vani? Is it something that you preserve your seeds every year and
Yes.
show them? Oh, I see a dondakaya plant over here.
We just harvested.
She just harvested. So if you look up at the plant over here, it's interesting. Very good. As you notice over here, there's a lot of bees. They are helping the nature also by letting the bees get the best out of these flowers and able to do a lot of so pollination for these flowers and fruits over here is completely done naturally with bees. And as you see, the flowers attract bees, so a lot of pollination happening over here. Oh, it looks so pretty. It is another form like of cucumber, is it? It's like
It's
So honeydew, just like a honeydew is a different type of.
very good, very
That's the
good,
same
very
plant.
good, excellent. As you notice, she's used a small lane over here, and she's planted so many plants, and she's getting all her vegetables during this COVID time for herself. And there she also has betel leaves, all of this over here. It takes time and effort to grow all these plants, and we Indians here are working really good during these times to get our vegetables in our yard for our during this COVID times.
This
These
is a boil tree, and this for Lord Shiva's favorite.
it's called Bilvapatram.
Bilvapatri, and also called Maredalamu. And of course, this one is Tulsi, everybody knows. And this one is Tummi. I'm not sure
Tummi
what it is.
flower.
Tummi flower, they use mainly during Ganapati, Ganesha festival.
and Shiva.
They even
For
make
Shiva's
dal out of
puja.
it, I think, right? Yeah.
The leaves are edible, you can eat them.
And that one is Rudraksha. I'm sure everybody knows what is Rudraksha. You know, that people will wear this Rudraksha mala.
So
in
it is
their
a fruit of this plant.
That's right.
Right.
That's what
Excellent,
it is.
excellent.
Yeah.
Very nice. So you do have some medicinal plants also over here. Tulsi is here.
Yes.
Excellent.
And also
Beautiful.
this is called Jammi Chettu.
Oh,
This
you
is,
have Jammi Chettu.
Yeah, Jammi
So during
Chettu.
Dasara's time, they have.
That's right.
They share it like gold.
Gold,
in
yes,
India.
that is correct.
Excellent,
That's
excellent. As you notice, we have a beautiful garden over here. Thank you, Vani and Shankar. You want to show something else, Vani?
Oh, there is a hibiscus.
Yeah. What hibiscus is this, Vani?
It's called Going Steady.
Going steady. Excellent, beautifully
tropical
done
hibiscus.
flower. Yes, very good. So awesome, Vani. Thank you so much. That's a beautiful description of Vani's garden, and it is her passion that shows we see over here. Thank you so much, Vani, for sharing, and we will have more of such episodes coming with how we are doing gardening in Dallas, Texas, and this is actually called Arlington. And I have a few words from a couple of parting words from Vani and Shankar. Anything special you want to tell our viewers as we finish our Flowers of India covering your yard, Vani?
Collect what you really like to have, and then you grow with your passion, and they come really good. I just tell them tomorrow I have a special puja and I need more flowers, they come.
Excellent. So you do talk to your plants too.
Yes,
Vani.
I do.
Shankar, what is your experience with the gardening? It's a family affair. So what is your experience with this?
It does take little time, and then you have to take care of just like your kids. People take care of pets. That's their choice. We take care of the plants, and most of the plants we have is only fruits and the flowers.
Excellent.
No landscaping, trees, not much.
Excellent. It's a beautiful garden you guys have. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sirisha.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sirisha, for giving the opportunity to show our garden.
Thank you, Shirisha.
Thank you so much. And here is another episode of Vani's garden. And this is Flowers of India, beautiful flowers from India grown in Arlington, Texas. Lot of effort over here. I hope you like it. Please like us and comment and subscribe. Let us know how you like our videos. Thank you so much.